Hello students, welcome once again in the session of online classroom. In our last lecture, I taught you how part of speech in sentences are used. And in our last lecture, we have studied the use of adverb. We have studied that adverbs are of 9 types. Now, today, we are going to study the use of conjunction. Now, what are the conjunction? Conjunctions are the word that add or connect two clauses. Now, see, conjunctions are of two types. The first one is subordinative conjunction and the second one is coordinative conjunction. In our last lecture, while teaching you adverb, I have taught you 9 types of adverb clause and the conjunction used in them are known as subordinative conjunctions. Means we have studied about subordinative conjunction in our previous chapter, but today we are going to read about coordinative conjunction. Now coordinative conjunctions are of 4 types and the first one is cumulative conjunctions. What is meant by cumulative conjunctions? Just listen to me carefully. Cumulative means जोड़ बताने वाले, means the conjunctions that add noun, pronoun or two sentences. They are like and, both and, not only but also, and as well as. These four are known as cumulative conjunction. Now see the example how we can use them. The first one is not only Ram but also Mohan will attend the party. Now here not only and but also are adding or connecting the two nouns Ram and Mohan. Now in second example, both Nisha and Reena are intelligent. Here both and are connecting the two nouns Nisha and Reena. In third one, Bhumi likes to eat mango as well as banana. Here as well as is connecting two nouns mango and banana. And now in fourth one, Delhi and Mumbai are big cities. Here and is connecting both Delhi and Mumbai. So these are cumulative conjunctions. Now see, the second type of conjunctions are alternative conjunctions. अल्टरनेटिव मीन्स विकल्प बताने वाले. विकल्प बताना मतलब या तो ये या वो. सो सी these are either or, neither nor, and otherwise. These three conjunctions are known as alternative conjunctions. Now see the example. Seema will play either football or hockey. Now there is a choice. She will play only one game. It may be football or hockey. Now see the second example. Neither teacher nor students will attend the school tomorrow. Now here neither and nor are alternative conjunctions, but they are in negative forms. Means they make sentence negative. So neither teacher nor students will attend the school tomorrow. Now see the third one. Third one is show me your homework, otherwise I shall punish you. Now there is a choice. It is up to you. What do you want? You want to show your homework or you want to get the punishment? Now the next type of conjunction is adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunction means विरोध दिखाने वाले. Means when there is both the situations are adverse in condition to each other. For example, these conjunctions are yet, but, still, however, whereas. Now, they all convey the same meaning, lekin, kintu, parantu. See the example. The first one is he is lame. Lame means langda. He is lame, but he can run fast. Now see, both the conditions are adverse in nature to each other. Both conditions are contrasting. Means the person is lame but he can run fast. Now see the second example. She is poor yet she helps others. Now see, here also both the conditions are contrasting. Means being poor she helps other. She is poor, it is different condition, and she helps others. It is also different in nature to the first one. Now see, the last conjunction is elative conjunction. Elative means parinam vachak, means the conjunction that shows result. The conjunctions are so, therefore, for, hence, and they convey the sense of isliye, atah. So these four conjunctions show result. For example, he is ill, so he cannot attend the class today. Now the condition is why he is not going to attend the class today, because there is a reason. और now he is ill, वो बीमार है इसलिए वो आज कक्षा में उपस्थित नहीं हो सकता. Now what is the result of his being ill? That he is unable to attend the class today. Now see, in the example second, she works hard, therefore she will pass the exam. Now why she will pass the exam? And she will pass the exam is the result of her working hard. She works hard, इसलिए she will pass the exam. Now I think you have got what I have taught you today. So keep all the things in your fair book, write down each and everything, click the photo and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.